guys, this is Ritzy here and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I want to show you how to make these creepy and realistic Halloween nails with a super cool 3D spider without acrylics nor polygel. So let's start and get panicking. Let's start applying base coat on every single nail. For the stitches design, apply one coat of a shimmery pink polish. I'm going to be using black, dark red and cherry red polishes. First, make a very uneven blood mark with the cherry red crossing your finger. Fill the center with a dark red. Before it dries, add a little bit of black in the center and mix it so it looks more realistic. Once it dries, draw a black line in the middle of the injury and some small horizontal lines as the stitches. Add some top coat and you are done. For the 3D spider design, first add 2 coats of a big sparkle polish. Then apply base coat so we can paste 2 circular crystals in different sizes. Then paint the crystals with black polish. Now paint 8 legs with the black polish, 4 in each side. Add some top coat and you are done. For the blood design, add a lot of uneven blood stains with the dark red polish. Now add a little bit of black polish in the center of the dust and mix it very well so it looks creepy and very realistic. Add some top coat and you are done. For the spider web design, add 2 coats of a white confetti polish. Then, with black polish, draw the spider web with a very thin brush in a corner of the nail. Add some top coat and you are done. And for the handprint design, add 2 coats of a small sparkle polish. Then try to draw a messy hand with the dark red polish. And add black polish in some areas to make it look more bloody. Add some top coat and you are done. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye!